Dryness? A problem in your home? Get rid of static shock, itchy skin, and that scratchy nose and throat. Let your Aprilaire Comfort Specialist solve unhealthy indoor dryness by installing an Aprilaire Whole Home Humidifier. Automatically deliver just the right amount of humidity to every room of your home. Visit Aprilaire.com for a specialist near you. Aprilaire, fresh ideas for indoor air.
Alright, Mr. Lesh, I got a question for you. Well, first of all, I'm just going to show you my furnace right here. I guess it's pretty good efficiency. I don't know, you tell me. I guess this is the inside of it. Check that out. Honeywell. Guess that's the blower. Got my wires going on. Alright, it's going off. Alright, I'm gonna show you my humidifier now. See, check this thing out. My boiler over here. Furnace going upstairs. I gotta patch this up, see? It's kind of messed up. I got it around the corner over here. Alright, so this is my question, Mr. Lesh. There you go, humidistat over here. And then the Aprilaire humidistat up there. Cool? Cool. Alright. So my question is, right here, this humidifier, as you can see, I changed the filter yesterday. The filter pad, this thing right here. And well, I was wondering how does this get its water from right here? This tube right here. Couldn't figure it out. And I was wondering what this doing right here, this thing right here was. I wasn't too sure. I know I got some deal of it from my last class, but I wasn't really sure exactly what it was. I think that's a transformer there, huh? Transformer. There you go. It's working right now. There's a cylinder. So my question was again, right here, how does this thing get its water? How does water come into there? And how does it pump it through and stuff? As you can see, this is my new filter I changed yesterday. There you go. It's right up to the furnace, so you can explain to us down there. Furnace bars. Cool, cool. And this is a tube you hate right here. It's clear. It's blowing. Better put this back on. Alright, Mr. Lesh. Hopefully that's a good video for you. Again, my Aprilaire humidifier. Pretty old, but still good shape. As you can see. Put this back up there. Aprilaire Model 550. You could adjust it there. You can't really see it. It's a stupid camera. There we go. Check this out. It says replace water panel evaporator annually. Call heating contractor. Yep, that's gonna be me right there. And my question was, how does water get into this line right here? This line right here. And like, how does it work in the system? Like, I know I could search that up, but I like to hear it from you. Cause you're the boss, you're the boss, you're the man, and you know your shit. I mean your stuff. And yeah, this is what runs through this here. And I was wondering also what this was right here. Not pretty sure. Well, I don't know what the hell that is. I know that right there is a transformer, right? But not sure what the hell. There's some water in there, huh? What the hell? Oh shit! That's the thing you were talking about, with the float, I think. Well, I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. Explain it to me. All right, Mr. Lash. I have this water line going all over there, down all the way to my sink over there. So that's why I dragged all this line. And you can see brand new filter hair pad. Yes, the old one was super old. I'll show you in a bit. It's disgusting. Alright, Mr. Lash. Hopefully you can throw some info at me. I would gladly appreciate it. And thank you. Alright, so again, Mr. Lash, I'm gonna do this right here. Alright. Cool. Alright. So we got this tube going down here. Tube going out there. To the boiler. So I guess that's how it pumps water, but I'm not sure. Just need more explanation from you, Mr. Lash. As far as this water line, where it will end up to. Water drain. This goes into drain it. Going. And it keeps going. And it goes up to here. It's going over here. Down. It goes. Huh. It's not connected to nowhere, huh? Guess that's why I get been getting flooded in my house. Let's dump this over here. Alright, Mr. Lash. And that's my system, my house. So if you can help me out, teach me some of your magic, teach me some of your skills, I'll gladly appreciate it, Mr. Lash. Alright, have a good one. Peace. HVAC. Alright, check this out. This is the water panel I bought yesterday. Not too much. Check this out. My dad said he has not changed this filter pad in life since he bought the house, and that I was like, fuck. He said 7 years ago, 8 years ago. Damn, I don't know, but look at this shit. This shit's gone. This is nasty. Look at this. This is definitely done. Alright, Mr. Lash. Thanks again. Alright, here it is, Mr. Lash. My humidifier. My furnace. Boiler. Furnace is on the other side. Let's check it out. Check it out. Over here. Huh? There we go. And that takes it all the way up. Yep. There's a filter pad that you're talking about in class. Right here. Just changed it to a new one. It was pretty damn ugly. And here's the Aprilaire humidifier I was talking about. So if you could explain to me what this is and how does it get this tube, I'd gladly appreciate it, Mr. Lash. We got an entrance here to the humidistat right here. And we also got our humidifier. See, depending on it tells you right there everything you need to know. And what the hell is this? Boiler heating. 24 hours, $10 upstairs display. Oh look, check that out. That's pretty damn cool. Alright, Mr. Lash, thank you. Peace out. You're the man. Video.